Inspired by online reaction time games, I created a game that can be played with friends as an immersive experience. This fits the description of the project because it uses creativity and topics that we learned in class. This circuit, built with care, is meant to create a game that is easy to use and logical. There are four main components to this circuit: the 555 timer, the counting circuit, the player inputs, and the anti-cheating mechanism. The first component is the adjustable 555 timer. It is made adjustable so that the difficulty of the game can be changed in case it gets boring or too difficult. The first part of the counting circuit portion is the 4510 chip. This leads into the 4511 chip, which feeds into a 7-segment display. The player input buttons are what make this circuit what it is. The first player has a button attached to the reset pin of the 4510. This allows the player to stop and start the timing, resetting it to 0. The second player has a button attached to the store pin of the 4511. This allows the player to pause the timing wherever it is in the counting. The final component to the circuit is the anti-cheating mechanism. Through testing the circuit when it was first completed, this system was developed in order to stop the second player from simply holding down their input button, which would cause them to score a perfect 0 every time. After experimenting with AND logic through transistors, I settled on using an RGB LED to indicate to the players whenever the second player was pressing the button at the same time as the first player. This would allow the players to know when the second player is cheating, which finalized the circuit, allowing it to run smoothly and the two players to be able to play the game consistently without facing issues.